sexy, you know already.
We made a new YouTube, and this is our new Saturday Sexy official page coming at you. And this is our intro. So, okay, that's our intro. That's out the way. Me, honestly, right now, I'm no longer bi. So, I don't do that whole thing. I'm not talking about from the whole bi perspective now. I still know about it if you got questions, but I'm more on the other side now. I fell off the fence. Okay.
You fell off too?
Yeah. So today, we have a special guest. I don't know where how she's gonna fit in there. But we got a special guest, Angel. Woo! Okay.
Come on, pop in the picture.
What's up?
Okay. Yes. Now, you need to see. So,
Yeah, move my plate.
you two dumbass wanna give us 10 minutes. What the hell we gonna do with that? Okay. Are you in the picture? Okay. So, she had some questions because she's straight, but I don't think she's straight, but she says she's straight. So, she had some
I just think she's
questions.
confused, you know.
So, if you ask the question,
Don't worry, Angel. We won't put you out there.
if you ask the question, we will answer them. Okay, so you go ahead with your these are questions you ask, I wrote down, but you can pick whatever questions you want to ask. You feel what I'm saying?
Okay. First question I have
I
is,
wrote that question.
what is gaydar?
Gaydar? Hold on. Alright. Can I start off? Y'all don't mind if I start off with
You
this one?
start.
Gaydar is that shit you get when you walk in a room and you can automatically feel this vibe like, damn, somebody in here is hella gay. And it can be the dude standing in the corner that looks straight and he all cute and stuff like that. Or it can be that girl that's sitting there eyeing you from afar and you just ain't seeing a spot in you yet. Yeah, she looking, she wanted to watch it out.
One of them ones.
Yeah.
My point, wait, this is what I think is a gaydar is just like basically what she said, when somebody's gay. And I don't think only gay people have it, only lesbians have it. I think everybody, okay, most people have a gaydar.
Everybody has one, you just don't know how to tap into it for real.
98% of people got a gaydar.
Exactly. Because it's like,
And the
some
other
people just don't know
2%,
how to get into it.
They don't. The other two is just me.
You know?
Okay, well, next question.
So how do you develop your gaydar? You make it like stronger or something?
Well, to develop your gaydar, make it stronger, you would have to actually pay attention to what gay people look like, act like, sound like, walk like, talk like. Yeah. So,
I go with her answer.
when you do all of that, eventually your gaydar, you can just walk into a room like, she looking at me funny, he's gay because of the way he's standing. She talk with a lisp, but that dude held his ass too long, you know he's sweet.
Okay, well, next question.
Alright, next question is this. I'm not gonna really call them friends, but people that I know are gay. And a lot of them say to me, you know, I was born gay, it's always been this way, and all that stuff. So, like, can you explain that to me? Like, how's someone born gay?
Well,
I was born gay. I was gay since I came out the womb. I like girls before I like boys. I was born gay.
Look, well, it's this thing, when you kind of know as a child that you're not the same as all the other little kids that are girls picking on boys, boys picking on girls because they like each other. No, you just kind of have this feeling as a child that you're different.
I used to say, ew, I hate boys, and I really hated them. Right.
Me, I'd be the one that looks at all the boys like my brothers. I'd play football with you, basketball with you, all types of stuff. But when it came down to me and you getting together, it ain't happening, bro. Nah, you too much like a little brother to me. It can't work like that. Next question.
Yeah, next.
I got a confession to make to the world.
Okay. So do you feel like that it's being gay something that can be developed? Like,
it's not that you become gay.
Turned out.
Yeah, exactly. Turned
Or
out.
you get introduced.
Or it's just that you didn't know that about yourself. If somebody, that one person just sparked an interest in you, like, damn, I didn't know I could think like that. I didn't know I could feel like that. But eventually you do. And it's not that you turn gay, somebody turned you out. It could just be that you didn't know that you were really like that. You didn't know yourself for real. And then that one person helped you realize who you really are. Like,
So if that's the case, that can happen with anybody.
happy with anybody.
Boys,
Which is
Does
like,
that really mean you're gay, or does that mean? Because
well,
that's just like people who
sometimes it
don't
means,
like broccoli, and then they find out that they do like broccoli.
That's food. No.
It's the same thing. What's the difference?
no, but it's like with people, it's like everybody can think the same way. Everybody can say it's just that sometimes you don't have to be gay to say it, but it's more prevalent in gay people. You're more likely if you're gay to say she's sexy than if you're straight. You'll just look at her like you'll be thinking
Cute,
it.
no homo.
You'll be thinking it. You won't want to say it because you're gonna think all your girls gonna look at you like.
I can blame it on the look if I want to suck up. No, I'm
So,
ready to
yeah.
fuck bad the motherfucker. I'm just in one of the moves. I feel like fucking. Wanna lay up in somewhere.
I feel like fucking.
You feel like what?
I said five feel like fucking.
Oh, about to say me. On the set.
The bug.
So do you feel like? Okay, here's another question I have. Is it possible to be? I'm gonna say cured, for lack of a better word.
Curious?
Cured
Cured of
Oh,
what?
here?
from being gay. Like,
I
alright, for
feel like
example,
once you gay, you always gay. They never gonna change. You gonna hide it, try to put it away, but
If
you're
you're
always
trying to
gay.
say you're cured, then you were probably never gay in the first place.
Or that.
You were probably just curious and wanted to know what it was like. Cause
so what's the difference?
like
How do
you
you know if
said,
somebody is really gay, or like if it's like?
We are really gay. Do you think we're curious?
No, I'm saying how would you?
I'm asking you, do you think we're curious?
when you're curious, you think more things that you do. When you're curious, you think more things that you do are just like weird. It's like, ooh, if she touched me, I'm gonna look at her like, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm just.
But like some things, if you're just curious, you're gonna want to know some things, and then you're gonna set the things that you do like aside from the things that you don't like.
I'm not curious, by the way.
I'm not
I'm
curious.
gay.
I know who I am, comfortable in my skin, no curiosity about it. So it's like, you know, everything's interesting.
Next question, I know, right?
Alright,
This
so
is such an intriguing gay conversation.
Hey, hold on, 2-minute warning. All right,
We got 2 minutes left before our video goes off. Okay?
please complete the watching of this video. Hope you enjoy. All right, next question.
next
We gotta make it
question
quick.
is, okay, here's the question I have. How come you have girls that are like girly girls, femme? I think you said is the word, right?
Yes, femme is the word.
Feminine girls.
I'm a femme, by the way. No say.
Exactly. I'm sorry, I might be confusing y'all because I look like a stud at the moment. I'm not a stud.
I'm
I have a
femme who wants
stud.
to be gangster.
I'm not a stud. This is just my personality. When I want to be that female. But all right,
Okay,
let's get
anyways,
it. All right.
femme.
Question?
Alright, so you have a feminine girl. How come you most of the time you see couples where you see a feminine girl and then a stud?
A stud, a feminine stud.
Why?
Cause you got
what's the
Dom,
point?
you got-
What's the point? Like if you're a girl,
It's not
likes
the
women,
same,
what's
'cause
the point?
guys-
You
A
just-
minute warning.
Guys have certain personalities, and some girls just don't like guys' personalities. Most of the time, this is just from my experience, guys are not as warm, not as kind, not as sensitive, but aggressive as girls.
I like the
With a
aggressive girls.
With a girl, she can tell you what she wants, she can mean it, but she can be sensitive to your
And she can
feelings.
tell, she can do stuff without you having to tell her.
And
They
there's
can
no
do
worry
it
about
better.
getting pregnant.
But isn't the point of like being with another woman to be with another woman? Like,
Well,
They
sometimes
are. Okay, well, y'all, we're
sometimes
gonna.
it's just like her feeling. It's
Hold
like,
on. Our video about to go off, so we're gonna make a part 2 and go watch that. Okay? This is your girl, Savage in the Mouth.